Dear friends, let me continue with Rule 12 of the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2016. Okay, so let us proceed. Rule 12 has the title Statement and Undertaking regarding foreign applications. Fine. So we will discuss here about the statement and the undertaking regarding the foreign applications. Okay, so sub rule 1 says the statement and undertaking required to be filed by an applicant for a patent under subsection 1 of section 8 shall be made in form 3. So this is quite clear from the underlined keywords. That means the statement and undertaking, this is as per the subsection 1 of section 8 and this should be made in form 3. Okay, where section 8 has the title Information and Undertaking regarding foreign applications and form 3 is about statement and undertaking under section 8. So I think friends, this is quite clear. There is no need to explain further. Okay. Okay. The next sub rule is 1A, sub rule 1A. The period within which the applicant shall file the statement and undertaking under subsection 1 of section 8 shall be 6 months from the date of filing the applications. Here also the two underlined words are the main keywords, that is the period, and that is the period is about 6 months. Okay, that means the period or the time span with which the applicant shall file the statement. Okay, the applicant will or shall file the statement in undertaking as per subsection 1 of section 8, and that period will be 6 months from the date of filing the application. Here I have written, friends, at the bottom of my slide that 3 months was replaced by 6 months as per Amendment Rules 2006. That means before this amendment, this time period was 3 months. Fine. Okay. Explanation is, for the purpose of this rule, the period of 6 months in case of an application corresponding an international application in which India is designated shall be reckoned from the actual date on which the corresponding application is filed in India. That means it should be calculated from the actual date on which corresponding application is filed. And in so I don't think there is I think this is quite clear, because the explanation is regarding, it is a bit clear, and it is mentioned here that is a period of 6 months is needed in case of an international application where India is a designated country, and this should be calculated from the actual date when the corresponding application is filed in India. Fine. Next one is sub rule 2. The time within which the applicant for a patent shall keep the controller informed of the details in respect of other applications filed in any country in the undertaking to be given by him under clause B of subsection 1 of section 8 shall be 6 months from the date of such filing. Okay, so here also it is mentioned about that the time that the applicant takes. That means we can say that the time within which the applicant for a patent shall keep the controller informed. That means the applicant will inform the controller about the details in respect of other applications filed in any country. Okay, and this should be in the undertaking, the undertaking should be given by him under clause B of subsection 1 of section 8, and this time period shall be 6 months from the date of such filing. Okay, and this is also the same thing, that this 3 months time was replaced by 6 months as per Amendment Rules 2006. Fine. So I will read this sub rule again, friends, because you will get a overall idea about the actual meaning of this sub rule. Okay, the time, read, just observe the keyword is time. The time within which the applicant for a patent shall keep the controller informed of the details in respect of other applications filed in any country in the undertaking to be given by him under clause B of subsection 1 of section 8 shall be 6 months from the date of such filing. That means a period of 6 months is allowed to the applicant to make the controller informed about his applications, that means his other applications in any country, in any other country, and this is given via an undertaking, and this is as per the clause A of subsection 1 of section 8 of the Indian Patent Act. Fine. Okay, now I think it is clear. The next one is sub rule 3. When so required by the controller under subsection 2 of section 8, the applicant shall furnish information relating to objections, if any, in respect of novelty and patentability of the invention, and any other particulars as the controller may require, which may include claims of application allowed within 6 months from the date of such communication by the controller. Okay, and this sub rule says, that means if something is required by the controller, that means if the controller demands something, or the controller, we can say here he, that means as per the desire of the controller, and he or she needs some documents, then as per subsection 2 of section 8, the applicant shall furnish information relating to objections. Whatever objection is there, it will be regarding that, and in respect of, that means mainly in respect of novelty and patentability of the invention, and any other particulars with it also, as the controller desires, that may include claims of applications also, and that is allowed, and all these things are allowed within 6 months from the date of such communication by the controller. That means the date when the controller demands or requires the things, these undertakings or these informations, and from that date within 6 months the applicant has to furnish all the informations as per the desire or as per the requirement of the controller. Okay, here also this 6 months time period and is the same thing here. That means this 3 months was replaced by 6 months as per amendment rules 2006. Okay, so I think this is the last sub rule. Yes friends, so if you have any questions, then please write to me in my comment box. If you really like it, please compliment it, and if you need any if you need any improvements, then please also mention, so that I will update my videos. Okay friends, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening to me and watching my video. God bless you. Jai Hind.